Item: SCP-001. Object Class: Thaumiel. Special Containment Procedures: SCP-001 is to be contained at Site-01. Under no circumstances are other anomalous objects to be contained in Site-01 due to the risk of injury to SCP-001. A cover story regarding the O5 Council not being permitted to come into contact with anomalous items is to be disseminated to conceal SCP-001's presence. SCP-001 is to be kept in a standard humanoid containment chamber and guarded by 6 security personnel at all times. SCP-001 is to be accompanied by a medical team at all times in order to quickly correct any health issues that arise. Likewise, a team of neurosurgeons is to be kept on site in order to correct any faults in SCP-001's calibrations. Cognito agents present within SCP-001's consciousness are to be reinforced twice a day. All research personnel directly working with SCP-001 are to be versed in thaumaturgy and Arikishan conceptual engineering, to prevent a return to conceptual default in the event of SCP-001's impending death. Procedure FLAML-17 is to be executed immediately using D-Class personnel stored at Site-01. All information regarding the now dissolved GOI 6616, the Eternal Circle, is to be removed from both public and general Foundation records, and is only to be available at the Site-01 classified archive. Description: SCP-001 is an 84-year-old male who has been conceptually merged with the universal process of death. As such, by using SCP-001 as a catalyst, the process of death can be manipulated to a limited extent. For example, it is believed that the removal of SCP-001's tongue and damage to its eardrums inflicted prior to Foundation containment is the reason for the reduced rate of exclusionary deal with death events in the modern age. 1. Through a process of neurosurgery and cognitotherapy, SCP-001 has been successfully afflicted with a form of targeted 2-prosopagnosia. Specifically, it is incapable of recognizing the faces of any members of the O5 Council. Due to its conceptual status, this incapability on its part becomes an incapability on the part of death by extension. As a result of this, all members of the O5 Council are unable to die or otherwise decay. This death-exempt status is scheduled to be extended to other vital personnel in the future. It is believed SCP-001 was first created by a London-based organization called the Eternal Circle using a combination of thaumaturgy and Arikishan conceptual engineering. SCP-001 and records describing its creation by the group were recovered by personnel during a raid on its headquarters. The majority of the group's members were killed during this attack. When the potential uses of SCP-001 were realized shortly after acquisition, it was transferred to its current location at Site-01 and designated a Thaumiel class anomaly. Judging from SCP-001's physical condition and lack of response to stimuli, it is believed it suffered severe trauma during its time in GOI 6616's custody. Several thaumaturgical circles have been carved into its back as part of the process used to create it, and its limbs have been amputated at some point in the past. 3. Despite the severity of these injuries, they are not expected to cause difficulties in maintaining SCP-001 for the foreseeable future.